Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios. And you guys, I have to give a shout out to the AquaSonic Duo Pro. You guys, this toothbrush is amazing. You're going to want to hear all about it. Okay, so first off, Duo, it's two. It's like the midnight black and the white. They kind of link together. So it looks really attractive and modern and cool. You always know whose toothbrush is whose. And if you are a couple or it's two kids that are sharing, whoever it might be, this is just a great solution to have your two-in-one. This is totally wireless charging, which is amazing. And a single charge lasts 30 days. That's right, 30 days. So these are really, really powerful lithium-ion batteries. It's 40,000 vibrations per minute. So that's like insane. That's even more than a lot of the other toothbrushes on the market. This is ADA accepted, which is of course a really great thing to look for to make sure that whatever oral care you're using is accepted by the ADA. This definitely is. So not only is this a great toothbrush, not only is it just a really cool concept to have the Duo, to have the two different colors so you always know whose toothbrush is whose. I love that. Plus the wireless charging, plus the crazy strong lithium-ion battery that lasts for 30 days. All of that is great, but I think the coolest thing about this is that it offers UV sanitation on the charging dock. This is just, every toothbrush should have this. When you think about it, you guys, you're using your toothbrush to get all of the plaque and bacteria and germs out of your mouth. So it's gonna be on your toothbrush. That's why, when you get sick, they tell you to change your toothbrush because it's just full of germs. So if you're just rinsing your toothbrush after you use it, that does pretty much nothing to kill all of those germs. And you think about it, it's just sitting on your counter, having time to multiply and those germs to grow, to get even funkier and weirder. Instead, you need to get the AquaSonic and be able to sanitize, UV sanitize 99.9% of all of those germs and bacteria on your toothbrush head in between uses. You come back to a brand new sanitized brush head every single time you use it. It's amazing. I don't know why every toothbrush on the market doesn't have this. It totally should. You guys, this is life-changing. Just so smart. And when we are all like more than ever really focused on being as sanitary and as clean and as germ-free as possible, you're gonna want to get this. Put it in your cart, buy it for someone as a gift, get a bunch of them for the whole family. Definitely, guys, this is an amazing product. You're gonna be so happy with it.